welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about my Society 6 experience, how long it took me to get my first sale and various details regarding it. So let's get started with that. Before WORKBOOK, consider clicking the like button guys, I really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and also we have the bunch of the free resources. The link in the description box below. Simply head over to globalcreating.com, check out all the freebies that we have and make sure to check it out each month because we will be adding each month as well. Now let's talk about sponsored by Globo Arte magazine, an art magazine which is dedicated to helping the artist in their art career. This magazine is specially catering to the aspiring and beginner artists who want to get started with the art and want to make their career out of the art. It releases each and every edition in few months, and just now it released its August 2021 magazine issue, that is the 7th edition. You can check out the 7th edition, the link is in description box below, or simply head over to globoarte.info, check out the magazine over there and grab your ebook sort of magazine. So definitely go and grab your ebook copy of the magazine. The link is in description box below, or simply head over to globoarte.info. This magazine contains the amazing artist interviews from all across the globe, inspiring the artists and creative people and all different kinds of social media topics, and then featuring the artists from all across the globe in this art magazine. So make sure to check it out, this magazine, and grab your copy of magazine. Now guys, let's talk about the Society 6 experience. How long Society 6? I haven't made any such videos talking about my experience with the Society 6, although I have mentioned in some of the videos regarding the Society 6 that me getting started with that and all. But now guys, I started on the Society 6 a few months back. Now you would be thinking I haven't shared much of my experience about the Society 6 in my videos because I wasn't having any kind of experience and I wasn't getting any sales, and I thought that when I would be getting it then I would be talking about it. But I started with the Society 6 back in the October of 2020, and in the October, November, December, and I think till the April, I just uploaded few designs. Like I just uploaded 15 to 20 designs onto the Society 6. I wasn't really active on that. I wasn't really consistent on that. I was just uploading the design that was a 10 to 15 because I was still researching the market onto the Society 6, what actually sells, what are the niches, and how I can add my designs or how I can provide value to the marketplace. Because from my experience, I see that every marketplace is unique in their own sense. Like, of course, we can upload the one design that we are uploading onto the Teepublic on the rest of the print-on-demand platform as well. But of course, every platform is unique. The designs that are selling on one platform may not be that easily selling on other platforms. So I was doing the research to see what is kind of products that are selling well, what are the niches, what are the topics, and doing all those things to actually get the first sale or even to get the few sales in the future. So it took me really long time because guys, I do a lot many stuff at a time. So when something just overwhelmed me, I just put that thing on a hold for a few months or maybe for a few days until I feel okay with that, and then I get started with that. Give it some time, give it some months to actually do the research, and then I became serious with the Society 6, uploading more of a design from the May of 2021, and then I uploaded my first design. No, not the first design guys, I have already uploaded a few designs before that, but I uploaded the design in the July itself would get me the first sale. I got my first sale on 29 July of 2021. Yes, I got my first sale and I sold the art print, and the design that gets sold, I uploaded that design in July itself. So I can say the designs that I've uploaded before that didn't get me any sales so far, but the design that I uploaded in the July got me the first sale on 29 July. So that is the thing. Before that, I was not that much really consistent. I was doing the research, kind of like searching for the platform ideas and all those things. But I really took it seriously in the May of 2021. Now, it isn't that glamorous story as you would be thinking that, oh, I got my first sale within a few weeks on the Society 6, I was so lucky and all those kind of stuff. No, I was on the Society 6 from the past October 2020, but I did uploaded that much design to actually get the sales until May of 2021. And on the May of 2021, I took it really seriously and I started uploading more of the designs. And then I got the first sale back in the July of 2021. I'm going to be sharing some tips with my Society 6 experience so far. Now you know how long it took me to get my first sale, and I uploaded the design in the July that got me the first sale on 29 July itself. So the first tip that I very well have for you guys is to upload more. Now this is just a common tips and tricks, everyone talk about that, but it's really important because if you just have the 10 designs, 20 designs or 50 designs, you don't know like which of the designs will actually going to get the sales, or maybe not, you won't be getting any sales. So I would say upload more design to actually see what fits into that platform, what actually sells on that platform, what kind of product, what kind of design, what kind of niche, and then you can double down on the stuffs which is actually working well for you. So you can't do the research, or you can't come up to a result by just uploading 50 designs or 100 designs onto a platform, because quite less if we do the comparison with the rest of the platform, or the rest of the platform has millions of designs and you just uploaded the 100 designs. So the 100 designs are very less to come up to any conclusion like what kind of designs are selling, what are the products, what are the niches, what are the topics. So to upload more products, this is the one and foremost, the first tip that I have very well for you. That is the upload more. The second thing is, before actually starting with any platform, do your research. Although you can upload the same design on each and every platform, but on some platforms, some of the designs sell amazingly well, and on the other platform, they kind of like sell something like that, but not that popular. For example, let me give you an example. The space, the galaxy, the gaming type of designs sell amazingly well onto the display. But if I go to the Society 6, I would going to see galaxy, space, gaming, all those sells well on the Society 6 as well. But not many people are uploading such kind of designs on the Society 6. On the Society 6, you're going to see kind of like an abstract designs, kind of like a expressionism or contemporary kind of art, more sell onto the Society 6. Again, guys, it's my own research. Maybe it varies from person to person, but I feel like every platform is unique and you need to do your research before actually uploading on that. So the third tip I have for you, which is kind of like more unique, I would say when you're doing your research, check for the designs, check for the niches in which you are interested in. Now, many people talk about the trending designs and going with all those things. I'm of a person who probably go more with the evergreen kind of niches in which I am really interested in making the designs. So I do the research based on that. I love the kind of abstract designs, the floral, the nature, the galaxy, kind of like space design. I really love it. So I kind of do the research in those designs to see what kind of designs are selling well in these niches. So if you are uploading the designs in some niches in which you are not at all interested in, like for example, if you're uploading the designs in the politics and you're not really interested in politics, but you're doing for the sake of getting the sales, for the sake of getting the views and all those kind of stuff, in the long run, you might feel like, oh, I'm not really interested in that. I don't want to do it. I don't want to continue with it. Like you won't feel passionate about doing it. So choose only those niches in which you are passionate about. There are so many different niches that are working amazingly well on these platforms, but you need to look out for only those niches in which you are passionate about. Now, this kind of tip, not many people share, not many people talk about, but it's my own personal experience. If I choose a niche or a topic which I am not really interested in that, then obviously after a few months of uploading the design, I would be coming out of that platform. I won't be uploading anything into it because I am not passionate about it and I don't feel like uploading any more such designs on that platform. So choose the niche which you are passionate about. You know what you're interested in. And every kind of designs are selling, guys. Like hiking is selling, adventure is selling. If you want to go with the beauty or the fashion, these are also selling well. The nature, the floral, every kind of design sells well. So do your research and go for the designs in which you are passionate about. Another amazing tip I have for you guys, when you're doing your research, check out for the designs in the niches in which you're interested in and check out what are the searches are related to that particular design. Maybe you can find the tags that person is using in design depending on each and every platform. In the Society 6, you're gonna see the tags and the researches, searches related to that particular niche and topic. You're gonna see at the bottom of the design, just scroll down, you're gonna see the bottom of the page, you're gonna see the searches related to that particular design, the ideas, the keywords. Now that are your titles and tag. Look for those keywords which are already the platform is giving you. They will going to give you the suggested searches, the suggested keywords. Those are the keywords that you can use in your title, in your tags. Okay, don't spam it. This is another amazing important thing you want to do. Don't spam it because these platforms are pretty clever than you. They have the system made in a way that if you're spamming it, then your designs would be more likely not getting that much sales as it should be. So don't spam it, but you can be very clever and see what are the searches that are actually happening on this platform. And when you just scroll down on any particular design, either you're gonna see the tags that have been used in that design, or either you're gonna see the keywords, the searches related to that particular design, which you can use in your The last tip that I have for you guys, be patient. Nothing happens overnight. Don't think that you are just starting with in this month, you need to get the first sale in this month itself. If you're not getting it, then you are not good enough, you suck, your design suck, and blah, 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 blah. No, that's not the reality. That was the reality when you were starting with the platform, when you were only the pioneer on that platform. If you were starting with the print on demand back to 3 to 4 years back, maybe you would be getting your first sale in the first month, and maybe that would be possible. I'm not saying that it's not possible right now to get your first sale in the first month of uploading the designs. I'm not saying that, but I can say if you're not getting your first sale in your first month of uploading design, then don't be discouraged. Don't beat yourself up. Have patience. Stay in the game because you are here for a long run. It's a marathon. It's not a one-day task. It's not a one-month task, or it's not a 6-month task. It's a marathon. You need to put each and every day working on that particular task to reach the goal. So keep that thing in mind, and you don't need to have a glamorous story. Of course, many times I don't have a glamorous story of saying that, oh, I got my first sale within a few weeks, within a 1 month, and blah, 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 and saying all those beautiful, cool numbers, showing all those numbers. Hey, I make $10,000, I make 6 figures, and kind of like those stories. And you get the feeling, guys, those mostly stories would be kind of like a scammy. They may be real. I'm not saying they are not real. They may be real, but most of them are kind of like a scammy. They are telling you something and they are trying to selling you a course. They are trying to selling their program, their master course or mastermind, whatever you call it. But I'm not here to sell you anything, guys. I'm not here to sell you any BS. I'm not here to sell you to that. So have patience. Stick with this game. It's a marathon. Think as a marathon, and it's a marathon only. If you're just taking it as a one-day game or a 1-month game, 6-month game, then it's not worth it. Take it as a marathon, and depending on your threshold, like you can put 5 designs or each day, then go for it. If you can only put the 1 design, that's okay. And if you can only work on the weekends on the things, that's okay. Depending on your threshold, depending on your circumstances, your situation, work on that and take it as a marathon. It will going to take some time to get the sales. Okay, if you are not getting in the first month, you're not getting your first sale in the first month, don't beat yourself up. Okay, it's quite natural, it's quite normal. It happens to me many times. I didn't got my first sale within the first month. It happened to me many times. That doesn't mean that my designs suck or I suck or my designs are not worth it or something like that. No, the other people are telling that they get their first sale within the first month or something like that. Of course, you can get it. I'm not saying that it's not possible. Of course, you can get it, but right now the competition is huge. There are already millions of designs that are selling amazingly well on these platforms. So for your new design to get the first sale in first month, it would be a little bit more difficult. It would be a little bit more tough, but you can do it. But even if you are not getting it, then don't beat yourself up. Have patience, you're gonna get the results. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you really find it useful and enjoyable. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think. Are you selling on Society 6? What are your results? I would really love to hear from you. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.